Welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you an exclusive update from inside Nairobi's landmark construction, the Talanta Stadium. You'll see the major progress from newly laid cabro-paved walkways to the H-steel roofing frame, and you can see the benches being fitted. There is lighting coming alive inside and finishing touches that show the venue is racing towards completion. Let's dive in. So, located along Ngong Road, just about 10 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, the Talanta Sports City Stadium is planned as a 60,000-seat arena dedicated to football and rugby, and it's built to host major events including the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. So today we'll walk you around the site, highlight the key elements of construction, and explain why each of these pieces, the walkways, steel roof, the benches, lighting and finishes matter for the stadium's future. So first up, the pedestrian and access walkways. You'll notice that the cabro paving, those interlocking concrete blocks being carefully laid around the outer tracing and spectator zones. This is more than aesthetic. The cabro blocks give durability, better drainage, and less future maintenance compared to plain asphalt. From the footage, you can see crews leveling the base, compacting the subgrade, and aligning the blocks. And this matters because when the stadium is full of fans, smooth, safe walkways make a difference for accessibility, crowd flow, and overall comfort. Plus, it enhances the look of the venue exterior, and that's something to showcase on match day or big events. So the next is the roofing structure, the steel layering and the truss system that will cover the stadium ball. You can see the massive steel beams being positioned and welded into place, forming the support for the roof canopy. This is a major engineering milestone. Once the steel framework is up, roof cladding, drainage and lighting can follow. The design being adopted at Talanta looks to modern exteriors, which is similar to other stadiums. And this is why it's important, because a fully covered roof improves the comfort, and it brings shade and rain protection and gives broadcasters even a better lighting control at night. For a stadium intended for international events, these structural steps are very critical. From media reports, the stadium design has been described as contemporary, fully covered and built to cater for major tournaments. So with the new shifting inside, the seating installation, and here you'll see bench-style spectator seating being fitted into the stands, and the bench units are being mounted on the tiered concrete rankers so that once all installs are done, fans will have clear sight lines across the pitch. This is important because seating is where spectators spend most of their time, and comfort, spacing, accessibility matter. Also key for capacity numbers, crowd safety, and the media standards for major events. As the seat installation progresses, you'll begin to sense the stadium coming alive instead of just being a shell. Here is one of the most dramatic transformations. The lighting system inside the bowl, you see the floodlight, interior ambient lighting, and then we have most of the wired corridors which are being mounted and being set up. And this is about broadcast quality, lux levels, night game readiness, and aesthetic effect for concerts and events.